Hey guys, Ricardo here, and welcome to another blog tech tips. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to on the Samsung Tizen TV how to install YouTube. Now, of course, this is the remote. First of all, I have YouTube already installed, but of course, I'm just going to show you how to go about installing it. So let's pretend as if we didn't have YouTube. I don't really want to uninstall it, so of course here it is. But let's say you don't have it, or for whatever reason you need to install it afresh because it's missing totally. For some reason it's not there, or I don't know, whatever it is. So first go up, go over to apps. All right, from here guys, go down. So you're gonna proceed down, go to editor's choice, and you're gonna move over, and in the editor's choice section, which is the most popular options, you'll notice YouTube. So it is right there. Go ahead and select, and from here guys, instead of open it's going to say install. So all you gotta do is go ahead and hit install, and once you install, it's gonna do its thing. When you're finished, you can exit by pressing home on your remote. It's gonna go back, and you should have the YouTube app. So the thing is, again, with this store, it doesn't offer a search option, so you always have to navigate to find the YouTube. So as you said, it's in editor's choice, but of course you should be able to find it using other categories. It should be under video. If in case editor's choice is not there, or you can't find editor's choice, it should be under videos, as in a video platform or video app. And I'm sure if you search through here as well, you should be able to find the YouTube app. Alright guys, that's about it, and of course hope that was helpful. If any questions, ask them below. See you in the next one. Bye.